Welcome to Rayat Online School Education Junior College section. Myself, Murumkar Rahul, Junior College teacher, subject Physics, Navmaharashtra Vidyalaya and Junior College, Pimpri Wagare, Pune. Today, we are going to discuss about chapter Sound. आज आपण इयत्ता 11वीचा अभ्यासक्रम सुरू करण्यापूर्वी 11वीला जो साऊंड चॅप्टर आहे त्या चॅप्टरच्या संबंधित इयत्ता 8वी 9वीला साऊंड चॅप्टर मधील रिलेटेड आर्टिकल्स आहेत त्याचा आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Can you recall how is sound produced? Production of sound. The sound is produced by vibrating object. Vibration can be described as a back and forth motion of an object. Depending upon the vibrations a sound is produced. Sound cannot be produced without any vibration. त्याचे 3 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. एक आहे when we hit the drum, membrane of drum vibrates producing sound. Second आहे when we play a guitar, the string on it makes to and fro motion and produces sound. आणि तिसरा जो आहे sound produced by the vibrating prongs of the tuning forks. Production of sound by tuning fork. In a figure A, stationary tuning fork. To show that of air around tuning fork. Now here the vertical lines are used. आता या फिगर मध्ये फर्स्ट फिगर मध्ये जो ट्यूनिंग फोर्क दाखवलेला आहे ते ट्यूनिंग फोर्क हे हवेची स्थिती दाखवण्यासाठी उभ्या रेषांचा वापर केलेला आहे. ए बी एंड सी सी मध्ये average distance between the air molecules is now the same. In a figure B, if the steam is kept steady and prongs are struck, the prongs are set into vibrations. It means that they are set into periodic motion in forward and backward direction. ट्यूनिंग फोर्क्स चे जे प्रोंग्स आहेत हे जे प्रोंग्स ज्यावर एखाद्या रबरी पॅडवर ज्यावेळेस आपण आपटल्यावर त्याची जी प्रोंग्सची जी हालचाल आहे ती मग पुढे आणि पाठीमागे होते. If during vibrations the prongs of tuning fork away from that is each others. आणि हे जे फोर्क जे आहेत ट्यूनिंग फोर्कचे जे प्रोंग्स आहेत ते प्रोंग्स एकमेकांपासून काय होतात हे दूर जातात. The air outside the prongs is compressed. Then they increase the prongs. त्याच्या जवळील जी एअर आहे ती एअर काय होते पूर्णपणे दाबली जाते आणि तिथे काय होतो हा हवेचा जो दाब आहे तो हवेचा दाब काय करतो हा पूर्णपणे वाढतो. म्हणून कसं आहे स्टेट हाय प्रेशर इज क्रिएटेड इन द रिजन ए. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण द रिजन इन विच air is at high pressure and high density, it is called as a compression. In figure C, the air molecules near the prongs get more space. As a result, the air pressure in this region A, decreases. The region in which air is at low pressure and low density, it is called as a rarefaction. इथला जो हवेचा जो दाब आहे तो हवेचा दाब काय होतो हा पूर्णपणे कमी होतो. आणि ज्यावेळेस तो हवेचा दाब ज्यावेळेस कमी होतो त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण रेअरफॅक्शन असं म्हणतो. फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ साऊंड वेव्स. One compression and one rarefaction together forms one cycle of the waves. The number of cycles formed in the air in 1 second will be decided by the number of times the prongs of the tuning fork vibrate back and forth. That is the number of vibration of the tuning fork in 1 second. Now the number of one cycle is the form. Now here in this given figure, the compression and now the rarefaction. One compression and one rarefaction together forms one cycle of the wave. एक compression आणि एक rarefaction म्हणून काय होतं हा एक वेव्ह सायकल तयार एक सायकल ऑफ द वेव्ह तयार होते. आलं लक्षात. म्हणून फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ साऊंड वेव्ह, द नंबर ऑफ सायकल्स दॅट आर प्रोड्यूस इन द एअर per second is called as the frequency of the sound waves. The frequency is measured in hertz. If one cycle is completed in 1 second, the frequency is said to be 1 hertz. Sound and music. Now here sound and music, that is musical instruments. The string instrument, second is a wind instrument. Example, sitar, violin, guitar. And wind instrument is a flute and shehnai. These are the examples of string instruments and wind instruments. What are the frequency? Now here sound waves of different frequencies produces different sound notes. Various musical instruments are used. Creation by the sound notes. Like that now the instruments sitar, violin, guitar, which is used for the string production of the sound, and instrument like that flute shehnai. Now here the different frequencies of the musical notes. Now here sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. The frequency are the different. Now here sa 256, re 280, ni that is a 480. Different frequencies produces that is a different sound notes. Sound waves. A sound is a form of energy that is produced when air molecules vibrate in a particular pattern called waves, and hence the sound is a wave. There are two types of sound waves. First is a transverse waves. The particles of the medium oscillate about are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Such wave are called transverse wave. Example, that is a light. Now we are given figure that is a transverse waves. Now the perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the waves. Now longitudinal waves. The particles of the medium oscillate about their central or mean position in a direction parallel to the propagation of the wave. Such waves are called longitudinal waves. Example, that is the celtics of the longitudinal waves parallel to the direction of the propagation of the waves. Now here The wavelength of sound waves is indicated by the Greek letter, that is a lambda, while its frequency is indicated, that is a nu. The amplitude, which is maximum value of pressure or density, is indicated by, it is A. Is the definition of time period. The time taken for one oscillation of pressure or density at a point in the medium is called as the time period, and it is indicated by T. The value of frequency determines the pitch of the sound, while the value of the amplitude determines its strength, or that is the loudness. Now here, that is a loudspeaker, there is a change in density, here change in pressure, it is a average density, or that is a pressure. Velocity of sound, the distance covered by a point on the wave in unit time is the velocity of sound wave. The velocity is equal to distance upon time. Any point on the sound waves covers a distance is equal to lambda in time t. The velocity of sound is given by velocity is equal to nu into this lambda, because nu is that is a frequency. 1 by t is equal to nu. Velocity is equal to wavelength upon time, and v is equal to lambda upon t. Thus, the velocity of sound is equal to wavelength into DC frequency. Audible, infra and ultrasound. Audible sound. The human ear can easily detect frequencies between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Hence, sound waves with frequency ranging from 20 Hz to 20 kHz is known as, that is audible sound. आता ह्यूमन इयर कॅन इझिली डिटेक्ट, जे काय इझिली डिटेक्ट करणं जे फ्रिक्वेन्सी, ती फ्रिक्वेन्सीची रेंज किती आहे, 20 हर्ट्ज ते 20 किलो हर्ट्ज. दॅट इज कॉल्ड, त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण, ऑडिबल साऊंड म्हणायचं. एक्झाम्पल कोणता असेल, दॅट इज अ पेंड्युलम. दुसरा कोणता असेल, दॅट इज अर्थक्वेक. इन्फ्रा साऊंड. ह्यूमन इयर कॅन नॉट डिटेक्ट साऊंड फ्रिक्वेन्सी लेस दॅन 20 व्हायब्रेशन पर सेकंड, दॅट इज 20 हर्ट्ज. 20 हर्ट्जपेक्षा कमी असली जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिटेक्ट करत नाही ह्यूमन इयर, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, इन्फ्रासाउंड म्हणतो. साऊंड विथ फ्रिक्वेन्सी स्मॉलर दॅन 20 हर्ट्ज, साऊंड विथ फ्रिक्वेन्सी स्मॉलर दॅन 20 हर्ट्ज इज कॉल्ड एज ए इन्फ्रासाउंड. एक्झाम्पल, पेंडुलम and earthquake. Ultrasound. Sound waves with frequency greater than 20 kilohertz. Example, the dog, mouse, bat, dolphin, etc. Echo. An echo is a repetition of the original sound because of reflection of some surface. It is called as a echo. At 22 degrees Celsius, the velocity of sound in air 344 meter per second. Our brain return a sound for 0.1 second. Determine the minimum distance between the source and the reflecting surface follows. Distance is equal to speed into time, that is equal to 344 meter per second into 0.1 second, that is equal to 34.4 meter. Thus, to be able to hear a distinct echo, the reflecting surface should be at a minimum distance of half of the above, is that is a 17.2 meter. as the velocity of sound is depends upon temperature of air, its distance depends upon the temperature. Reverberation. Sound waves get reflected from the walls and roof of a room multiple times. This causes a single sound to be heard, not once but continuously. This is called as a reverberation. आता साऊंड वेव्स गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम द वॉल्स. एका भिंतीवर साऊंड वेव्स काय झाले ते रिफ्लेक्टेड झाले किंवा एखाद्या छतावर ज्यावेळेस रिफ्लेक्टेड होतात ते काय होतात मल्टिपल रिफ्लेक्टेड. दिस कॉजेस ए सिंगल साऊंड टू बी हिअर्ड नॉट वन्स बट कंटिन्युअसली. सिंगल साऊंड टू बी हिअर्ड नॉट बट कंटिन्युअसली. दिस इज कॉल्ड, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण रिव्हर्बरेशन म्हणतो. आता रिव्हर्बरेशन इज अ फिनॉमिनन ऑफ persistence of sound. Persistence of sound after it has been stopped as a result of multiple reflection from surface as a furniture, people, air, it is a etc. Next point is a sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is used to determine the direction, distance and speed of an underwater object with the help of ultrasonic sound. पाण्याखालील वस्तूंचे जे अंतर, दिशा आणि वेग अल्ट्रासोनिक साऊंडचा उपयोग करून हा मोजला जातो. सोनार हॅज ए ट्रान्समीटर and receiver which are fitted on ships or boats. Sonar is used to determine the depth of the sea. समुद्राची खोली जी आहे सोनारच्या साहाय्याने ही मोजता येते. Sonar is also used to search underwater hills, valleys, submarines, icebergs, sunken ships, etc. पाण्याखालच्या पाणबुड्या किंवा बुडालेली जी जहाज आहेत ती जहाज शोधण्यासाठी काय केला जातो, हा सोनारचा यूज केला जातो. थँक्यू.